Family, it's your boy Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. I wanted to clear up a question that I was asked. Which is better, the company taking out taxes out your check, or you paying for your own taxes and just getting 1099 straight cash, and you getting the W-9 at the end of the year, so that way you can pay your taxes. I would say that it benefits you more to do it yourself. And most people would say, man, I got to deal with the headache, this and this. Well, bro, let me tell you, you are cheating yourself out of so much by letting them take your taxes, especially if you're independent. Now, if you're working for a company, that's a full different thing. I get it. You're not even thinking on the level that I'm thinking on right now. But if you're independent, that let me know that you are at least trying to do things yourself. So if you do some work on the side, and they say, hey, let us take the taxes out, versus you saying, okay, let me do my own because I'm independent, especially if it's an independent situation. You know what I'm saying? Then that's how you do it. And it's better for you to take your own taxes out. And I'm going to tell you why. Because when you take your own taxes out, you know what I mean? That means you're only going to get taxed once because you're LLC, you're independent, so you can write a lot of things off. If they take your taxes out, you're going to get taxed 3 times. And then when you get ready to go back up to do your taxes, I think it's probably, 3 times for sure. You know what I'm saying? And you might get hit for 4. So I would think it'll benefit you more. And another thing that I don't like as far as the company taking my money out, because I know when they take that money out my check every week, it don't directly go to the government. The company get to keep that money, invest it, or do whatever they need to do. And then at the end of the year, or whenever this time, the government sent them a little paper, say, hey, you got to pay, woo, woo, woo. Then that's when they pay, you know what I'm saying, what they got to pay. So I know that they're not even sending that money off right then. So if you carrying 0 or you carrying whatever 2, 1, and they taking a lot of taxes every week, and you like, man, I'm putting a lot in, but you got to think too that they double working you. They working you off of your labor, and then they're working you off of your money. You know what I'm saying, that you already made. So man, the game is wicked, man. I mean, but hey, it is what it is. It's business, and if it wouldn't be, you know what I'm saying, a profit in it or real beneficial, would nobody be doing it. So just to my folks who really want to be independent, think about that, man, because you want to be able to learn more and more about taxes, learn more and more about what you can write off, about being independent, about being your LLC, because it benefits you more. Hold on.